So I'll hold this up now and I'll also post it in the comments of the ingredients of the video when we put it up on YouTube. So that's one page, and then the second page, the rest of the ingredients are here at the top of that page. Okay. So now, the meat. We're going to take this meat mixture, put it in a bigger bowl, all right, and we are going to add 2 tablespoons of Cointreau. So 1. Smell the oranges. 2. All right. And we are going to do the same with the olive oil. Come on. 2 of those. Okay. And now we need to take some bay leaves, and we're going to take 3 bay leaves. So I have 1, reasonably small pieces, and let them sit in there. It's going to marinate for 3 days, so the flavor from the bay leaves will work its way out and mix in with the meat and the other spices to get them out. So now those are our ingredients, and get our trusty wooden spoon and just mix it all up like that. The olive oil, the Cointreau, and the bay leaves. Doesn't that look good? See? So once that's good, can you hand me the plastic wrap from the drawers?
The seal stuff?
Yeah. So we're going to put this back in here, smaller bowl, because this is going in the refrigerator. And I'm going to just push it right down against the meat and try to squeeze the air bubbles out, and then get the plastic wrap adhered to the sides of the bowl. So that's what it ends up looking like. You can see that. It's nice. So the air's not going to hit the meat. So, all right. So that's the end of the scene. Okay. We are now going to grind the pork. So this is the pork that we diced, we cubed. And while we were preparing the duck meat and perfuming that with the olive oil and the Cointreau, this was in the freezer. And also all the parts of this grinder were also in the freezer, and that's a smart move, because pork and everything grinds better, especially if it has a lot of fat content, if it's real cold, because if it gets warmed up, the fat starts to get greasy and it doesn't grind as well. So we are now going to grind this. We put in the pork, and we start pushing it. Scene 4. So we finished the grinding. As you can see, it's nice and pink and nicely ground, kind of like coarse hamburger. And so now we are going to complete phase 1 of this whole process by mixing in the liver, eggs, and spices mix into the. Here, I'll pour and you mix it. So really mix it around. There we go. Almost in. Looks really good. That's what it looks like. So we're gonna seal it off with a paper like this. Okay, so just like we did with the duck meat, it's all sealed off with the paper so the air, while it's in the fridge, the air won't be hitting the surface of the meat and dry it out. Okay, so that concludes phase one of our pate process. Not that hard. We've been going for maybe an hour at the most. And like I said, goes in the fridge for 3 days, marinates. Then we're going to bring it back for step two, phase two, and we're going to mix it all together, put it in the jars, and bake it. And that's actually an easier step. There's no grinding. All the meat's been cut up. It's just mixing in, putting in some more, putting in the peppers and the pistachios, and then baking it. So we will be back when those 3 days have gone by.